hope you'll check out my other channel, Blue Hill Tarot. This is a new endeavor for me. I just decided on a whim, the reality is, to do some tarot connecting around planetary circumstances, because I have been receiving a lot of messages about the earth and meditation and spiritual guidance. So we'll see how they pan out. We're doing hurricane season right now. We're focusing in this video on Mississippi. Mississippi, how are you going to fare this season, 2022? Mississippi, how are you going to fare in regards to the hurricane impacts? Answer the questions clearly. Mississippi, Mississippi. I may not talk a lot. I'll look at the cards and continue. I will give the predictions, okay? So sometimes I hear words and messages. I'll speak those. If I don't, I'll just look at the energy and wait for the messages with them. So here we go. Mississippi, Mississippi. What are the impacts for you this hurricane season, 2022? Will you have any hurricanes? If so, quantitative numbers. Energy, please. What's up, Mississippi? So far, so good. Oh. Spoke too soon. Oh, White Newman. Wow, like that. Okay, so I have some wind blowing, but let's get some clarity on this. Clarity, please. Clarity, clarity, clarity. Clarity for Mississippi. Hurricane season 2022. Clarity, clarity for Mississippi. Hurricane season 2022. Destiny guidance, clarity. No, I don't see any hurricane impact from Mississippi. I will be doing additional videos to connect with the energy as the season progresses. This channel will also connect with all things planetary. So in regards to the earth, in regards to some monsters who are in control of different countries, we're going to connect with the energy around leaders, world leaders who may not be all they're cracked up to be, but we're also going to connect with the earth, planetary circumstances. So I hope you'll come back and check up the following videos for Mississippi. We will do at least 3 more from Mississippi. We'll continue this channel if I receive some positive response. So I hope you'll support the channel. Thanks for stopping. Talk to you soon. Happy to see this for Mississippi.